suppose. Hi, everybody. All right. Let's take a minute, just kind of talk here before I release you guys to do your stuff. So, test is the second class day we get after vacation. So whatever that is, like is that the 31st or something? 30th? I don't remember. How many days are there in November? 30? I think Friday's the 1st.
Is that the week after? 2 weeks?
It's the second class after we get back from break.
Yeah, sure. Okay.
You're going to be on Kairos? Okay. Worry about it when you get back. Have a nice time. All right. So your test description, what should you be expected to be able to do? Should be able to do, use your calculator to compute thetas like on question 2 from the review. So literally just type the thing in your calculator and press enter. Make sure you're in the right mode. That's it. You should be able to use your unit circle to find the exact values of theta in the range of the inverse function. That's like using question 1 from the review. You should be able to use your unit circle to find the exact value of a composition of a trig inverse with a trig function. That's like question 4 from the review.
How many questions are there?
7, I think. The review is what he asked. You should be able to solve for theta on the given interval. That's like question 3 on the review. That was what you did on worksheet 2. And on worksheet 1, just one of them was with a calculator, one was without, but they were the same question. You should be able to solve the right triangle. So like, in 4.2, after we drew the picture, you had to solve the right triangle to answer the story problem. I have one problem on there where I don't even have a story attached to it. I just have the right triangle.
Are you going to put the one where you have to do all the algebra?
Maybe.
Okay.
And then I have solve a story problem. So like questions 6 and 7 from the review. Total questions on this thing, I don't know. There's a bunch of them because some of these are like, I think I have like 2 or 3 of these and like, 2 or 3 of those and like, 2 or, like 2 of those and like 2 or 3 of those and like 1 of these and like 2 of those. So it's like, there's some questions, but that's like the, the topics kind of thing. Does that feel okay? What's due today? Note card. When's it due? By the end of class. Yeah. Nathan was the first one to turn in his note card for 6th hour, but he was the last one to get to 6th hour. So.
How can you do that piece actually?
Does anybody have any homework questions before you guys you want to just ask them individually? That's probably easier. If you run into stuff, you can just ask me. That way we're not holding up everybody and distracting them if they're working on their note card. That's probably the smarter decision, right? All right. Get going on stuff. Note card. Sure. Problem set.
I'll get it.
I didn't even have to